I had to reread it and I saw black glove. I was like, oh, it's not me. Fight! I have already. One for you. Good ball, Pete. Good ball.
Run hard, run hard, run hard! One!
Ball.
Everybody in.
Yeah, I'm up after.
Ryan, yeah, we confused and I saw TK go up.
Deep.
Well, let's start at 8. It's going to get put back to 9 or 8 or whatever. Yeah, cool. No, it's white. It's not 9 rain the other day.
Great
Let's
swing.
go.
Done.
All right.
Go one, guys.
Good eye, Ryan. Good eye.
Yeah, I think Fox going to play catch.
Nice, Ryan.
One.
You should see my ankle, dude.
Oh, yeah.
Not from Monday. It's big fucking ground ball off it. Nice.
Like, also, those guys, like, it was a second game, right?
Yeah.
It's like, get the ball in the fucking house.
Yeah, I know.
You got it.
Oh,
Pass.
Ball, Jimmy.
Ryan's like, God damn it. One out. She said she doesn't drink, pal.
Ball, Jimmy.
Jimmy, great swing.
Now something you, me?
Now, Brett, me, you, me.
Janine?
Deep.
I messed up. I actually hit the tree.
It's going out. One out, guys. One out.
Wow, I'm surprised no one missed that.
Nice ball.
He go out.
Come on, Jimmy.
Gorgeous.
No throw. Good start.
What? He had to run.
Great ball, Jimmy.
Get out.
Good, there you go, Brett.
Come on, Brett.
Let's go, big guy.
Ward a second.
Go one, guys. Got him. Nice, Brett. Go. Keep going.
That's funny. Got him. Calm.
Nice shot, Brett.
Again? God damn it. You still didn't stop him.
One out.
Let's go, Var. That's a little hard. Two. Right now.
There you go.
Rick.
Go, BDR.
Left.
Yeah, go back line.
Go, Ricky.
Go, pretty Ricky.
Go, Ricky.
Ricky, Nino, Nick, Chris, Sam.
Foul ball.
Nice shot. Yo, it's that Nick, not me, right?
1-2. Still got a foul.
Come on, Rick.
Nice.
Oh, tough.
3.
4, Blue.
What did you get there, boys?
Four runs there.
Right, good hit.
You, Mark.
You got it, Rick.
Vince.
2-2. Still got a foul.
Scale that fence, you cat.
Good. What?
Definitely Mondays, yeah. But that was probably 5 years ago.
There you go, Matty.
3-1.
Wearing, sorry. Kick save, I love this.
Take it. One down.
Good read.
Time. 2.
Alright, come on, start us off. Okay.
She was part-time at the school anyway, so her salary would have been eradicated by this.
Check. Foul ball. 1-2. Got to be in play.
Good pitcher, Matty. Good pitcher.
Time. 2.
There you go, Pete. Way to shorten up.
Well, there we go.
Anywhere.
Three outs.
There you go, boys. Come on. Do it.
Illegal.
Good ear.
Very tiny. It wasn't like that. That's not to me. I don't like that. If I was Charlie, I'd just
Check.
Hey.
2-2. Still got a foul.
Bye, Pete. Let's go, dudes.
Yeah, I know.
Look good.
Good, Dino. Hey, good.
What?
Great swing, Neen.
Great swing, Nino. Use those legs, Nick.
Go, Quad God.
Come on, Nicky. Great swing. Don't even knuckle on this one.
Oh, it's
Look
fair.
at that!
Let's go. Two.
Come on.
Got time. Plenty of time. Job, Nicky.
Come, Nicky. Way to be.
God. 1.
Let's go, Chris, all day, man. Keep this going, dude.
Good job, Nick. Great job. Good start. Come on, Nick. Come on, Chris.
Run it hard, kid. You got it. No chance.
Out.
Up, up, up.
Back. Time. 2.
Come on, Sam.
Come on, Sam.
Nice grab, guys.
2. Nice line drive.
Come on, Sammy. Nobody better. Let's go, Sam. Line drive it,
I'll
Sammy.
cash this in here.
Come on, Sam.
Nice, Sammy. Good eye. Come on, Sammy. Nobody's better than you. Nice driving, Sid.
Oh, got him, please.
Here you go, Pete. Back. Here we go, let's go. Come on, fellas.
Nick.
Get the basket.
Swing there.
We got Sean, Mike, Matt, Milas.
There you go, Sean. Nice.
That's it, Sean.
Sean, you killed me, Sean.
Guys, line drives all day.
I told him right.
Time.
I was like in the middle of talking. Mike, Matt, Milas. So Mike stayed on line drive.
Good, man.
Him and the third baseman, they're both good players.
I think so.
Nice. Nice. Beautiful. Nice stretch. Great turn.
Nice stretch.
2.
Nice turn, Al. Who
Al,
said you
beautiful.
couldn't play second base, Al? You're a stud out there.
Taylor made that.
Coming. Let's go, Matt.
They're not coming in the game.
There you go, Matt. That's dropping. That's dropping. Yes, sir. Here you go, Matt.
I like it, Carl.
Keep it going, guys.
Milas.
Yeah, there's also
2 down.
Two, of course.
Yeah. And the left fielder, that big guy here.
Milas.
We got Milas.
Three outs. Good inning. Solid. That ball down.
Good inning, good inning. Good turn, guys.
That's your back?
Yeah.
Nice.
Run it out.
Jamie's on.
Drop it.
What?
Okay. Hey, stay hot, T.
Nice call. Good catch.
Let's go, Tom. Put me on it.
line driving. Let's go together.
On time.
Now you're on deck. That's down, kid. That's 2. That's 2. That's 2. Hey, don't hurt yourself.
You're good. You're good. Ball, Tommy.
Thank you. 1.
All right.
All right, boys.
Come on, Ryan. Nobody better than you, kid.
All right.
What's going on?
One out. One out.
Tassel's coming
Hey,
down.
So the 3rd, which is next week, we have a game. But I'm going to go to the Yankee game 3 nights for Boca. You got a Boca now?
The week after.
Fair ball.
Oh, Ryan.
Are you going to go for it?
That was mean, Ryan.
Oh, he's going to go for it. He wants a homie.
Kind of got a good trot going.
Oh, you're easy.
The week after, we're gonna.
Where at the game?
Yeah. He's home. All right, do yourself.
You guys have a
Great job, boys. Let's go.
Got 1 down.
Good shit, Ryan.
Did it go all the way down the hill?
We need extra.
All right, Tron.
Double.
What do you mean demo work?
No, that's a home run.
That's a double.
On June.
That's all you can get.
It's a double.
Yeah. It's a little long for a double.
Yeah.
Give me a Diet Coke. Good eye, dude.
No, he wants to go on the live.
Two.
Yeah. Might be a try. I don't know.
Nice play, boys.
Next Friday in Milford. Well, he's moving to Milford.
Oh, yes.
That's good. But not till like a month. So my uncle lived there. My other cousin.
How you doing?
What a stud.
Yeah, he just got a house right in the wall on the beach. That was a good deal. Like 4 bedrooms. Said enough garage space to fit 4 cars. So he's gonna like turn the back.
Time. 2.
Everyone in between the bombs are fucking gay dribbles.
Someone bought the house behind me.
That's the
9:45.
advice I can give you. Keep your eye on the ball. Like fight pulling your eye out.
Yeah,
Keep your eye on it. That's my. I run into the same problem. I'll fucking get over anxious and I'll pull my head out. Josh. Come on. So you would have fucking crushed it.
No, I don't like that.
I swear I've seen you crush a million high pitches.
I have.
Oh, Brett!
That's fucking on fire. Jesus.
Not going.
Waking up.
Hot. 2.
Go, Maddie.
Got
Like the other, that.
Pull for it. Pull.
As soon as that thing came off his bat, he looked to left and he's like, yeah, left field, and got him.
Got 2, boys.
Holy shit. Go, Vard.
No pitch, no pitch, no pitch.
Ooh, ooh.
I'm getting PTSD from Monday.
Waking up. Way to wake up.
With no pitch. PTSD right now.
I'm fine by track.
Oh, look at that forward.
Oh, you're 3. Yeah.
D.
2.
Blue. Blue.
Thank you.
Surprised to say.
You're blowing down the hill?
Yeah.
Bravo.
There it is.
Runner. Time.
That's the way we started off, fellas.
Chris, heads up.
Hey, it works. Right? I'll take that.
Go, Owen. Piece of hitting. You get a job done. You just can't get there now.
Strike.
Oh, God damn it.
They're gonna foul.
Sorry, man.
At the same time.
These guys, huh? Oh, look at that.
Nice job, Chris. Time. 1.
Come on, Marcus. Come on, Marcus.
Check. 2-2. Still got a foul. Good inning, boys.
Wait,
You're still doing great.
2 outs.
Try though.
I don't know why I thought that.
Maybe you look down twice.
Yes, sir.
Time. 2.
Good try, Al.
2 forces.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
I interrupt him. This now.
What's up, Brett?
Redo
3 outs.
That's 3.
All right, we'll wait for everyone to leave. Ricky, Nino, Nick.
Let's go, Ricky and you, kid.
Fucking hammer, dude. You're go. Let's go, Ricky.
You feel like a player now, Ricky?
Oh, Ricky, that ball's coming in.
Go, Ricky,
Stop.
Like a goddamn grizzly bear.
But once he starts, he
You like a player now?
Come on, Nick.
Let's go, Nino.
Hey, don't change that swing, Nino.
Go, Nino. Go, Nino. That was Bob. Yes.
Wow, good catch.
Good
work, Nick.
Go, Nick. Same thing as last time, Nick.
1 down.
Keep us going, Nicky. Let's go, man.
He's clean line, Nick.
That's what I
want. That's what I want.
All day, Nick. Come on, Chrissy. Go, Chris.
One.
Come on, Chris.
Come on, Chris.
Chris, way back, Chris.
Yeah, you hit it, dude. It was weird. It looked like it got stuck when you hit it, and then it kept going.
Come on, Chris.
Try to line side pitch.
Yeah.
Come on, Chris.
Swing hard.
Great swing, dude.
Down.
Oh.
Half.
Go, go, go.
Let's go. Nice shot.
Hold on,
Chris.
hold on. You go, Chris.
Swing, Chris. Come on, Sammy.
Come on, Sam, cash in, dude.
Come on, Sammy. All day, bro.
Yeah, the craftsmanship now is scarred. I buy basketball shoes in 6 months though.
Come on, Sam.
Yeah, but now like they bottom wears and they just fall apart. Gotta be. Oh.
Hit it good, Sam.
Just like set that for a second.
Let's go, Sean.
Two outs now, 2 outs, Chris. Back to back, come on, Carl. Nobody better than you, Carl.
Good swing. Just,
Boys,
he like to spin there and then he's
Yeah, I thought for a second that
He was playing a little deep.
good swing.
I just got the ball.
we switched out.
Three outs.
I didn't get the bill.
Yeah, guys.
I hate it.
Squeeze the back.
We have the baby.
One day.
Oh, that back pedal, Jim.
What?
Yeah, I don't know.
All around. Advance now.
I was squatting. I was like,
You used to just pull the ball, Fowler. Come on, Eric. Line drive it, big guy.
yeah. I never have knee this will go away, I hope.
There you go, Eric.
Nice and level, nice and
Yeah, pushing a sled backwards like this.
I do that a lot all
Time.
Delivers.
Yeah.
I go every ramp, I go out back.
Good.
Tuesday back.
Good. It's focused on the corner. I mean, it's doing something.
Tuesday back.
I help survive.
In front of you, Carl. You last time, Nicky. Coming back at you now, Al.
Let's drop him. Drop him. There we go. There we go. All right, guys, let's go. Come on.
Block, here's your ball. You still got it, Nick.
Got one down.
I know.
Come on, Mike. Let's go, baby.
Don't fuck up. And he made the biggest thing of the game.
Then probably. Come on, Mike.
Thursday back.
Check. Still got a foul.
It's Wednesday, Brett.
Deep. Time, Mike.
Nope. Two.
Oh, Maddie! Oh, Maddie! No!
You're up. All right. Here we go. We got it. Let's go now. Time. One down. Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Start us. We all just like.
Idiot.
I look like the Spider-Man.
I go behind the plate once. And it's over.
That's on you then.
My fault, yeah. Totally.
I get to see it right up front.
Yeah, totally.
You got me.
Yeah. That boy, man.
Nice hit, big guy.
Time. One.
Now we're losing.
That boy,
We're
man.
not losing yet.
Hey, Tuesday back!
What does that mean? I swing like an old man?
No, those bats are not good. Yeah. I'll point out the one.
Time. 2.
Leg 2.
Strike. Still got a foul.
Oh, that's nice.
Yourself.
3 outs.
Hey, let's go.
Alright. That's on Ryan.
Guys, what'd you get there?
Bang, bang.
Yeah.
Pick me up. It's fine. Just like that.
I know, I think I called it every other play except that one. I got the throw. Oh, he's going. Up.
You're easy, you're easy, you're easy.
Damn, kid, who do you think you are?
Monster.
Monster. Damn, son.
Hey, right.
Oh, Ryan's a legend in your home.
Tired?
Yeah.
All right.
Too old for this shit.
You're too old. That's the way to run my play. I'm getting too old, yeah. Who are you, Danny Glover? Oh. Get over it.
I think you broke your back, dude.
Doesn't sound good.
That did not sound good at all.
I'm trying to get the cut up on the left. Tommy, that's how you hit a car.
Wow, dude.
Alright, don't need to show off, alright?
I think they teach you.
Check your back.
Go, Jimmy.
That thing's still
I
alive.
think it is. I don't know, dude. That thing is getting more and more.
Whatever. He's the only one doing it.
No.
No, they don't know. Go, Jimmy. We're good.
Nice.
Jimmy, you get as many as you want, right?
Oh, it's open field, yeah.
Yeah, just check it.
Yeah, no worries.
But
Come on, Jimmy, nobody better, Jim.
It's fine.
that's a little like
Jimmy.
Jimmy.
Blues here, buddy.
Catch that?
Play Miles.
Nice catch.
Catch right.
How many outs? 1 out.
1.
Go out.
I've not swung.
That is.
Oh, wait, you're hitting for me.
Yeah.
Rock, you're hitting for me. You're on deck, dude.
Yeah.
That was an insane catch by him.
Come on, Al.
Get out.
Slow motion forward.
Time. 1.
So harder.
Hey, go block.
Block.
Caught it. Drop it.
Come on, Matt.
Oh, block.
Walking up. What's going on?
Debbie said one.
Yeah, 1 down.
Like one of those, like,
Come on, Matt.
1 down.
Yeah.
One down, Al.
It's like a weird step.
Oh,
that's trouble.
Drop it, drop it. Drop it.
Time. 2.
Mark.
Alright, 1 for 12.
Come on, Matt.
I shamed you.
No, I am after.
Come on, Matt. Keep us going here.
Ricky's on deck. Ricky, you know.
Ricky, I'll be waiting on second.
Matt, take a pitch, Matt.
Why are you talking about Max?
There.
Trying to fucking swing. Sorry,
Oh.
What inning we in, Blue?
2. 10.
Fair ball. Yeah, there you go. Oh, we'll take that. We'll take that, kid.
60-degree wedge.
Yeah. Little backspin.
Yeah, I like it.
Here you go, Mark.
Didn't go sideways.
That's what I try and do with all my. You got 2 feet.
There it is. Here we go.
I'm going out.
Let's do it.
Wednesday bat.
Thank you for clarifying this Wednesday.
Four-man relay on that one.
Turn it.
Yeah, right.
Second one off the fence today.
That was my time to shine. No, I'm never going to play catch.
2-2. Well, full count.
Give a step block.
2. Someone please be there.
Ouch! Ouch!
Good Nicky.
Two down.
Tuesday bat.
We switched. That was a good play, though, right?
A good play by you to switch.
Good decision.
Deep.
Nice turn, Nick. Nice turn. Come on, Matty.
3-1.
Atta boy. Nice play, Nick. Nice play.
Good job, infield.
Got it.
What?
Let's go, Nins.
Go, Nino.
I need.
When I pulled it off, it was just,
Let's go. Don't fall.
I need.
Come on, Nino.
God damn.
Swing knee.
2 down.
you're the echo on that shit, though. That was fucking like a gunner shot, dude.
Deep.
Knee.
Nick.
We were away, right?
Deep.
Great eye.
3-1.
What's that? Realize how much was left there. Great eye.
Good job, Nick.
2 down.
Come on, Chris.
Chris. You go, Chris.
Come on, Chris.
Go, Chris.
All day. Nice job, Chris.
Show me up with my own bat.
Not going. Our bat.
Time. 2.
Go, Nick.
Go, Nick.
Come on, Nick. Keep us going, dude.
Come on, Nick. Yeah, how many outs you got, Kevin?
2.
2 outs. 2 outs.
Over here, buddy.
Come on, Nick.
All
Number
day,
30,
Nick. Come on, Nick. All day. Get through. Nice play.
Hey, you go!
3 out.
Nice play.
I was yanking or something.
What?
You know, if you don't even call me no more. I can't, I'm not staying out.
Matt, he can hit it, Matt.
All around.
Nice play, Carl. Great catch.
Go to the video footage.
Got it. I think he said got it.
No, he's out.
Tuesday. No, I was just. I'm sorry. I was making fun of Carl. I'm
Two
sorry.
down. Sorry, yeah.
I'm sorry.
Go, Jose. Do you think? I mean, I don't know.
No, he caught it. But
He caught it. It was a good catch.
All right, Jose, gonna go, maybe.
Deep.
There you go, Jose.
Middle's up later, dude.
Time.
That
Shoot.
just made that play in second base.
Oh, that was him?
Yeah, that was him. Hey, these guys are no joke. They make the plays, they hit the ball.
Shoot.
Yeah, dude. What a great guy.
Dig it.
Out.
Yeah, I was just trying to be an athlete.
Hey, top. Let's go.
It's a homer. I'm still hitting.
Play.
Come on, Carl, nobody better than you. Come on, Carl, you can do it. Line drive it. Nobody better than you, Carl.
Chris, you got a base hit, right?
That's not on.
What?
You got one. Come on, Pete, your way.
Yeah, Tommy.
Line drive it. Come on, Tommy,
Go, TK. Hold on a second. Okay.
Go right field, too.
When, yeah.
Come on, Pete.
Deep.
I swung the bat and made this like this hard.
Line drive it. Nobody better than you.
I'm literally going to try and translate that.
Good swing, Tommy.
Come on, Ryan.
Time. One.
Go right.
Come on, Wendy.
Oh! So that's how you do it on that side. Not going. Fucking harder. Don't hit it right about 803 more miles an hour. That sounded a little way harder than mine.
Lucky it's faster.
One out, guys. One out.
Oh, Jimmy, stay hot.
Come on, Fallon. Where were you?
Come on, Jimmy.
He wants to love you.
He's got a fin.
Never know.
Back!
Yeah.
That one caught him.
Time. Two.
Yeah, you got to run out there.
Down there. Come on now, stay hot. Good swing, Jimmy.
Go out.
Owen wasn't playing the driver.
Sorry, guys.
Good ball. We need that.
Poison ivy ball.
Hey,
You're right.
We got a foul.
I think whoever hits it has to go get it, right?
Ron Sox and you and the Bugs.
Deep.
Good eye.
2-2. Me.
Oh, my.
Alex lap.
No, I think one lap out. That was bottom six.
We're trying to get him to 15.
All right, Al. You don't want to pull the secret.
Strike.
What happened?
No, we try and we lose.
Here he is. Here he is.
Scoop.
What? Nice play out there. Ryan,
I got my spot right here. I'm good at catching
Thursday
those.
or Wednesday, whatever.
I'm good for catching those.
Yeah, boy. There you go, Miles.
Margaret, that's your ball.
Careful what you wish for, Ryan. He's going to get every ball in this inning.
Time. One.
I would probably choose Nick.
Go, Pete.
My buddies just got into a league that started 18-0.
Ben.
1-2. Still got a foul.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, nice try, Matt.
Nice try, Block.
By you.
Time. 1.
Yep.
Time's out.
Oh, yo, please burn that off field.
Wait.
Hey, way to be there, Chris.
Let's go. Come on, baby.
Time. 1.
Tuesday bat.
Nick. I'm probably your best choice to throw it to.
I got you.
TK, Sam, heads up. Step.
Sam.
Come on, baby.
Guys, left field, give a step back.
That's dropping. Nice grip. No.
They're top of the order.
Attaboy, Marcus.
Wednesday bat. Half
Got
five.
1 down.
Come on, Todd.
Foul ball.
Nick.
Go head down.
Looking good, Nick.
1-2. Still got a foul.
Good pitch. Good pitch.
2-2.
Is that funky stuff? All right, move. Oh.
Foul ball.
New life now. Don't hurt yourself, bro.
2-2. Got to be in play.
That ankle. You see his ankle right now? No. Took one off the ankle.
Come on, Todd.
Really?
You know how to hit. Go. That's got him. Go, baby, go. Boy, Todd. Come on, Marcus. Up easy. Up easy. You're up. Let's go! Attaboy, Todd.
Time. 1.
Attaboy, Todd. Let's go.
I don't think the first move should have been 3 steps in.
Pass pop. Tommy, give a step. Sam, give a step.
No, now you have
Not a baby, Carl. 2 here. Last one.
Time. 2.
I'm surprised Carl didn't fire that over the backstop.
I would bet you every dollar it's coming as 2 outs.
Heads up. You guys nervous with those foul balls? Let's go, Sam. There you go, Pete. Way to keep it going, baby.
All around pop. All around
2.
pop.
Nick, this is all on you.
Give a step, Tommy. Way to talk, T.
3 outs.
If he does, I can have another.
Good game, fellas.
Oh, that's it?
Good comeback.
Close then, huh? How much did you
The rain held up?
Yeah. Nice night, right?
Yeah, it doesn't.
The bugs aren't as bad as up here at Hayden.
Oh, I know.
Yeah.
The most usually aren't as bad here.
Hayden is brutal.
I love Wendy's, bro. Don't forget to call Jimmy Score.
Oh, yeah. Big stuff.
Guys, have a good night.
Thanks, Jeff. Good game.
Who's that fucking shortstop out there, dude? Making the back.